Hey guys, so today we're filming our network project. We're going to be making challah bread. Step 1, you have to put your hair back. Okay, so you have to wash your hands. So now that we have washed our hands, taken off any jewelry, and put our hair back, we are ready to set up our ingredients. So our first ingredient is 5 eggs, but we're saving 1 egg for later. 4 cups of warm water. A cup of margarine.
4 packets of active dry yeast.
Half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. A 1/4 cup of sesame seeds.
3/4 cup sugar.
And 12 cups of bread flour.
We also need 2 tablespoons of salt.
Okay, so now you want to put your 4 cups of warm water into a really big bowl. Okay, now you want to pour in your 4 packets of yeast.
Put it in
Slowly, add it very slowly. And then mix it.
And then you need to let the yeast moisten, and then after you've done that, so after you've let the yeast moisten, add your margarine, your sugar, your salt, and your vanilla.
Okay, so now you want to beat your 4 eggs together, and you also want to be reserving your 5th egg for later. Now we're adding in the 4 beaten eggs. Next, we're gonna add our bread flour, and we're gonna add 1 cup at a time.
After about this consistency, stop using the hand mixer and fold it using a spatula.
Okay, so now we added our last cup of bread flour. It should be at this consistency at this point. And you want to make sure to scrape off the flour from the sides of the bowl.
And get everything incorporated.
Yeah.
After you've gotten everything incorporated, spread some flour onto your surface and take out the dough and knead until it is smooth and elastic, which will take about 8 to 10 minutes.
Okay, so now that we've added all the bread flour to it, we poured it up we've put it onto the table so we could start kneading it. It got really sticky, so we had to add a lot of flour to the counter. And now we're just eating it, and now we're about to let it proof. So we're gonna leave it on the counter and put a towel over it to let it proof for
30 minutes to an hour.
Okay, so we let it rest for a little over 30 minutes, and now we split them in half. And so then we're gonna braid them and then put them on these 2 and then let them bake in the oven.
So once you rolled it out into 3 equal pieces, connect the ends and roll them under so that then they tuck, and then start braiding it one over the other. And then once you get to the end, combine the tips and roll them under. Now beat 1 egg so that then you can brush it on top of the finished bread. So now that you've put the egg over the bread, just put the sesame seeds on top.
Just grab a pinch with your hand and just evenly spread them out onto the bread. Okay, so now that we put the sesame and the egg wash on top, we're gonna wait for the oven to preheat to 350. And you put it in the oven for 30 minutes or until it's golden brown.
Guys, our meat is too soft.
So here's our finished challah bread. It cooks for 30 minutes in the oven at 350 degrees. And